What up, what up? Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make brownies at home so that whenever you get those munchy cravings, you don't have to go out and get your stuff. You can just make them at home. So simple. We're going to try and make this under 10 minutes. I'm going to take you on this journey first. We're going to make, oh, I just dropped my chocolate. I'm going to chop up this chocolate right here. We're going to make a chocolate sauce, right? And we need at least 200 grams of this chocolate. I bought some dark chocolate because I like it dark. Alright, we're just gonna add it in here. See if we got enough. Yeah, can add a bit more. Chop up some of the chocolate. Okay, all this stuff is super cheap. Super cheap. Chop it up, chop it up. There, you don't have to be so fine because you're gonna melt it anyway. Alright, okay. And that's enough chocolate. Take your butter. Okay, we'll cut it in half. Need about a cup, 1 cup of butter. I just like to yoink. This is enough for me. Big slab of butter. We're gonna make this sauce. So I'm gonna take you with me on this journey. Let's go over here. Yeah, that's right. Alright. Grub time to go. I mean goober. Now we're gonna melt our butter first. Woo! Get some nice golden butter. Look at that. Look at that. And we're gonna add our chocolate once our butter is melted. Okay. In the meantime, let's head over here. Okay. Sorry about that. I wanted to get some sugar. We done put in some goddamn sugar. Okay. Now I'm just gonna eyeball this. It's whoops. You guys can't even see me. Alright, we got our brown sugar over here. We're gonna add in 1, 2, 3. Alright. Sorry, it's a one-man camera shot right now. Okay, bear with me. 4, 5. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna crack an egg. Okay. Gonna throw it in there. I'm gonna mix it real good. Yeah. I'm gonna crack another egg. Always want to put it in a bowl in case you get a bad egg. You don't want to spoil the whole batch. You can add it one by one, and then you're gonna mix it. Mix it. I think I didn't add enough sugar. Whoop, third egg going in anyway. Here we go. We throw in some more sugar. Add 2 more teaspoons. It's supposedly, you're gonna need about 150 grams of sugar. So, you know. Okay, wop. Right. Let's go check on our butter that's probably burning now. Whoa. Alright, you see that? See how golden brown it is? Yeah? Yeah. It's good. Just like that. I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit. Now I'm gonna add my chocolate chunks. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. That's real good. Alright. I'm gonna let that melt a bit. Okay. We swerving. I need a goddamn spun. Whoop. Look at that chocolate sauce, man. Look at that chocolate sauce happening right here. Okay. Ooh, we're getting real melted. Chocolate sauce. All about that chocolate sauce. Okay, chocolate sauce is almost done. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes right now. I think that's good enough. Good enough for me. Yeah, alright. Now we're just gonna let that sit there for a second. And we're gonna head back. We're gonna head back to our sugar. Okay. Okay. You can't see anything from here. Oops! About that. I like them apples, yeah. Okay. Then get your vanilla. Okay? You need like 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Oops. Can't see with these glasses. 1 tablespoon. Vanilla, here we go. What else? You need a bit of salt. About 1/4 tablespoon. Oh damn. This half. Add the salt in. Okay, what else are we missing? The flour. We're gonna get our sifter. Okay. I'm gonna get a measuring cup. Real quick. Oh wait, before that, we wanna add in our sauce first. Now watch this go drizzle. Alright. Ooh, that's a hot sponge. Okay. Hope you can see this because man, this one man army here is not working out real well. Ooh, that smells amazing. Damn, okay. Okay. Alright, I'll show you what's going on here. Now it looks kind of black, but I assure you, it is okay. It's melted sugar, a lot of melted chocolate and butter. Alright. Now we're gonna add our flour. We're gonna add our 100 or 1 cup, it's about 120 grams. Okay, hold up just a second. Yep, there we go. We're gonna sift it because it's easier to mix. Let's get off those last bits. Gonna shake. Good. Get a nice sifted. Ooh, looks like icing. Cocaine. No. Yeah. Alright. Good shake. Good shake. Get your coco. Okay, I hope we're still under 5 minutes. I don't even know anymore. Otherwise, I can't even upload this. Can't upload it. Press for time. I don't got to crime. I got so many people to shine. What? Here we go. 2 teaspoons. Gonna make 25 grams of cocoa. Oops. Good enough. Good enough for me. Then you're gonna sift it. Oh yeah. Okay. Sift. And then extra. You want some contrasting flavors this time. I want to try some of this espresso cup. This is just instant coffee, but just have a bit of flavor. No harm in that. Okay, great. Now that you've got all your ingredients in, okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fold it inside of each other. So now you're like, oh, what's happening? Well, look, watch this magic. Okay, we're still under 10 minutes. All right, awesome. Look at this. Look at this transformation. Okay, we're just gonna keep folding the flour into each other and just watch it turn into chocolate. Here we go. Come on, can we beat the 10-minute mark? Can we do it? Yeah, look at that. It's just now pure sauce. Oots. Now we're just gonna mix that just a wee bit more. Okay. Put you back over here so you guys can see me. If you're still watching this far, thank you so much. Alright, thank you for spending your time with me. We're spending time together. Okay, perfect. Now my favorite part. You're gonna take these chocolate chips or chocolate chunks or whatever you like. You can even buy Snickers or something, you know. Let's take them. Where's our measuring cup? It's full of eggs. Okay. Put there. Now you can put as much as you want, honestly. But I just like it to be balanced. But you know what? I'm gonna add the whole thing. Just add the whole thing. Yeah. Beautiful. A lot of chocolate chunks. So we're just gonna add them. So that way you get a lot of chunky bits in there when you bite it. I'm gonna chop up the rest of this chocolate too. No use for you, brother. I'm just gonna make it chunks. Hopefully you get one of those chunk bites as you crunch into it. Okay. Come. You have to see this. You have to see what the hell I'm working on. I don't even know if you can see the chunks at this point. Like, you're just gonna mix it. Okay? Just gonna mix it like that. Okay, let's bring you over here. That's it. Well, we're pretty much done. I'm just gonna pour it into the tray. I'd say we did about a nice 10-minute video. Wow, this chunk is getting real chunk. Coming real hard too. That's perfect. And this is ready to be put into our tray. Take up the room so you guys can see. And then we're just gonna pour it in. Look at that glow. So much glow. Just gonna get all them goodies. All them goodies. Yeah. Uh-oh. What was supposed to happen? Yep. Get all them goodies. Get them chips. Oh, it smells amazing. You can smell that brown butter oozing out. Melted sugar. These are soup. Now you don't need eggs, but I added 3 eggs this time because the eggs make it fudgy. And I wanted some different kind of brownies. So if you want less fudge, don't use so much egg. Maybe 1 or 2 is enough. Some people even add 6 for ultimate fudge. I've only tried 2. First time trying 3. Never tried 6. Just gonna you want it to overtake the pan. Okay, it is gonna rise a little bit. You spread it out. Just spun. This spun, right? Just like that. Yeah, you're pretty much done to put it in the oven, but I want some peanut butter. That's exactly what we got. Add some peanut butter. I'm gonna layer this guy with peanut butter because I can. Whew! Here we go. Peanut butter brownies. What's up? Now this is natural peanut butter. Like there's no sugar, nothing. So this thing is so sugary. So this natural peanut butter is gonna like balance out this thing, give you some protein. Some omega fats, good for your brain. Oh damn, that's a lot of peanut butter. Alright. It's also gonna make it taste like a Reese's bar. So add that. Hair flip. Can't wait. And take this knife. Actually, this one is a lot better. I want to just like smear that peanut butter so it looks like a galaxy on top, a galaxy spread. Ooh! Oh yeah. Sunday, fun day, care day, self-care, make some brownies, bitch. What up? Look at that. I'm gonna chuck it in the oven. Come with me. Come with me. This is my oven right here. Oh. Well, it's actually preheated, but get turned off right now. So we're gonna turn it back on. Chuck this guy in. Leave it in there for 20 minutes. And you're done. Brownies are gonna be done in 20 minutes. Hope you like this. Thank you for watching. I love baking because it tastes good and it feels good. See you on the next one. Yeah!